All right, if you ever wonder what happens to that big old chunk of your paycheck that just randomly poof is gone every month, or why you get that big old bill every year for owning something, yeah, we're gonna talk about it. Yeah, the Munyon Man's gonna talk about it. It's taxes. Yeah, that feeling, that thing that leaves us feeling confused and intimidated. Yeah, like I said, it's taxes. I'm gonna tax that. Nah, but for real though, taxes, they can be pretty confusing and intimidating until you learn about them. But what they're supposed to be is the foundation of how our society functions. They're not just about filling out forms and then sending your money to the government and not knowing where it goes. It's supposed to be like the lifeline to our society, funding everything from like the roads we drive on to the schools that your kids may attend. And that's why we're going to go beyond the what, the why, and the horns of taxes so you can actually navigate the world of taxes with confidence and then just have a better general understanding. So, taxes, they've been around for a long time. I think we all know that already. They've been around for centuries. I mean, going back to like ancient civilizations. But the question is, what exactly are taxes? And at their core, taxes are mandatory contributions levied by the government. They're not voluntary payments. They're actually a legal obligation. You have to pay taxes. That's why people be doing time. They're not just taking your money. They're actually investing it in the well-being of the society. So what that means is taxes are essentially the dues that we pay to live in a civilized society. They're how we collectively fund the essential services that make all of our lives safer, healthier, and just overall more productive. So think about some of those jobs like firefighters or people who risk their life to protect your home. That's where their salaries and their equipment and so forth, all that is paid for with you and I's tax dollars. So just know that these dollars are supposed to fund public services, infrastructures, social programs, all that kind of stuff. This is what it is. So just really think of taxes as like a social contract. We contribute to the collective good, and in return, we receive the benefits, are supposed to receive the benefits of a functioning society. I mean, because if you think about it on the flip side, just imagine a community where everyone actually refused to pay taxes. You know, generally speaking, everything would fall apart. Schools would close. Public safety would be compromised, all that. And taxes are the glue that holds our community together. Now, there is different type of taxes, and I'm going to keep it super simple right now, but there's three that I just want to cover. The most common ones that you're more likely to encounter, which are going to be income tax, payroll tax, and potentially property tax. So income tax, what that is, this is the tax that you pay on the money you earn from your job, investments, or other sources of income. And this is going to be calculated based on your level of income and your filing status. So the more you earn, the higher your tax rate. Income tax is what we call progressive, meaning that those with higher incomes pay a larger percentage. And this is supposed to help redistribute wealth and, like I said, fund those social programs. Now, payroll tax, this tax is the one that's deducted directly from your paycheck. And it goes towards funding things like Social Security, Medicare, and programs that provide retirement and healthcare benefits and so forth. And I'm not going to lie, like, it gets brutal because I know last year in taxes, I paid almost $100,000, which maybe not be a lot to people, but man, that's a lot of money to just like pass over. But again, some of these programs that we're supposed to be paying for are supposed to be essential for just the overall population. Now, property tax is something you have if you own a home or land. Then you pay property taxes to your local government. And that's supposed to be the money that funds like school, parks, and other local services. So those are the like three most common ones. And there's another one that you're going to see this pretty frequently that I want to throw in there, which is sales tax, depending on where you're at. And this tax is the one that's added to the price of like goods and services that you buy. So when you purchase something from a store and then there's an X amount of tax added to it, that's what that is. So let's just say you're buying a house. This is a good example. Let's say you're buying a house. You're not only going to pay property taxes, but you're also going to likely encounter transfer taxes, recording fees, and potentially even a mortgage tax. So understanding these different taxes can actually help you budget effectively and then just avoid those surprises. And it's easy to think of taxes as just money disappearing. Like I said, like poof, it's just gone. Boom. But in reality, your tax dollars are supposed to be hard at work. They're supposed to be funding that wide range of essential services and programs. And I mentioned some things earlier, but some things they fund are like education. They're supposed to help pay for schools, teachers, salaries, all that kind of stuff. Like I said, healthcare. Taxes support programs like Medicare, which I mentioned earlier, and other programs that provide healthcare to like the elderly or the low-income individuals. Other stuff is like the national defense, like your tax dollars help fund the military and all that jazz. Now, think about the last time you visit maybe like a national park. Yeah, you get to see all those views, the landscape, just the breathtaking moments. All that's protected with your tax dollars. So I'm trying to keep this short because I know taxes can get confusing, like I said, but they aren't the most exciting topic, but they are a crucial part of how we function as a society. And if you can actually just understand the basics and become more informed and engaged, then you will also be able to understand your money better, look at your paycheck differently. So I encourage you to identify like the different type of taxes that we talked about. Like look at your next paycheck and see like what's really being withheld. Look at the next time you buy something, like how much is actually being taken out, and think about where it's going. So just again, it's all about being aware. It's all about being conscious. It's all about like having the knowledge and the true understanding and not just giving and shoveling and pushing money out, man. Just know where it's going. Like I said, man, you can end up paying a lot in taxes, and I know like the rich, I don't know how they be wiggling through everything, but they figure it out somehow, some way. But anyways, like I said, the whole point of this is to educate you on taxes so you can understand the basics. Just know what you're doing, know what you're spending it on, and just being more aware. Like I said, when you're outside wiggling, pay attention to that stuff, like where your money is being spent. And yeah, I think that's enough for now. We'll get into the deep details in another video, but until then, like, subscribe, share this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. We're going to keep talking about this money.